Presenting the 2014 Ram 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are automatic headlights, ABS, intermittent wipers, stability control, rear-wheel drive, power door locks, privacy glass, auxiliary audio input, and heated mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.